It's okay, you don't need to explain. Alright, so when we come here, we want to dimension the figure. I'm going to do several dimensions. If this figure is not dimensioned properly, you're not going to get full marks for it. So the full set of dimensions should be every dimension from the question that was given. So there's a 50 here, there's a 22 in here. So all of these dimensions need to be shown. There's also a measurement of 50 up here. Alright, and there are 2 10s over here. So once again, these things need to be shown. That's the only way you're going to get full marks. Everybody's following what I'm doing so far? Alright, so the problem is when you dimension an isometric figure, you need to change the dimension setting. So all of these lines that are going to the right, that are to be angled downwards, we're going to use DIMEDIT, DIMEDIT, enter. We click oblique, we select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, press enter, and we're going to put them at an angle of 150 degrees, 150, enter, and they have changed. Right? So this one here with the 10s, I don't like how these look, so I'm going to change these again, but for now, I'm going to do the ones to the left. So then again, oblique. We're dealing with this 100. We're looking at this 50 here. I'm going to try it with this 22. Press enter and we type in 30. Right, so we can work with that 30. You see how those are aligned properly? Yeah. Hey. Okay, so this 10. Dimension, and we're just going to put it, well, there's actually a simple way we could do the 10. Just watch here. We do a line here at the 30, and we just dimension that line 10, and we leave it there. So you don't need to do much more with that. Alright, so there are several circles that are in this drawing. We need to put body dimensions for each of them. So we'll start with one at the bottom. We come at the center here. We draw a line at a slant. Then we're going to click our leader, which we have done from the section that we had earlier. We click here and we pull it across. We put our 30. So we can use that as one dimension, or we can do it a different way. Going back to the line, click the leader again, click here, pull back, and we put our R30 here. I kind of like it this way instead. I'm probably going to remove this space. You understand the R30 that we have? Now the important thing with this R30, it must be drawn through the center. You gotta line it up with the center. The same thing goes for the top. Come from the top, line it up with the center. Let me trim this. Alright, so here's the finished top of the figure. And at this point, I'm going to draw 2 lines from the center. So the first one, we're going to pull from the middle. Well, here, this inner circle. Y'all understanding how you're using the leaders? Want me to do that leader again? Hold that, you understanding? You're not even looking. So we have the lines drawn. We click the leader here. So if I want it from this inner circle, left click, pull to the top of the line. And now we're going to write 2 holes and it has diameter 20. Enter, that's that. We're gonna do this outer one now. Left click where it touches the line, pull to the top, and we're gonna have here diameter 44. Diameter 44. Right, so those are the dimensions. You understand that? So in this video, we have looked at DIMEDIT. We have also looked at the dimensions for this figure. Now this figure was sent on WhatsApp. You should be able to do this at home, and this is the end of the video.